Alright, here's another rugged phone with a built-in projector, the Ulefone Armor 34 Pro. We've just reviewed a similar phone with the same selling points, but the Armor 34 Pro has some differences. For example, its battery capacity even exceeds 25,000 milliamp. If you're also interested in these newly emerging projector phones, keep watching, you will find something useful. Inside the Armor 34 Pro's packaging, you will find a 66-watt USB-C PD charger, a 1-meter C2C cable, SIM pin, lanyard, and a bunch of manuals. By the way, the phone we reviewed came with a pre-installed tempered glass. It feels very smooth and without affecting display quality. More brands should follow this practice. Of course, the biggest selling point of the Armor 34 Pro is this built-in projector on top. Due to size limitations, it's undoubtedly a DLP projector. And like most portable projectors, its DMD chip isn't particularly large, just 0.2 inches. As a result, the Armor 34 Pro offers a projection resolution of 480p with a maximum brightness of 150 lumens. Have tested the real brightness for you, and Ulefone wasn't lying. The image quality is better than expected, perfectly adequate for watching sports broadcasts or streaming shows. With a throw ratio of 1.3 by 1, you will need about 2.9 meters to project a 100-inch image. But honestly, given the brightness and resolution limitations, I'd recommend keeping your projection size around 65 inches. That's where you will get the best balance between screen size and quality. It does come with 2 built-in cooling fans, so temperature control is handled well. Just be aware that at the maximum brightness, you will want to keep some distance from the phone, as the fan noise might otherwise affect your viewing experience. Now the big question, how does the projector affect battery life? When streaming at maximum brightness over Wi-Fi, it consumes 14% per hour. That means a fully charged Armor 34 Pro can deliver about 7 hours of continuous streaming. This insane endurance comes from its 35,500 milliamp battery. Yes, that's bigger than any power bank I own, and the Ulefone claims up to 10 days of normal usage. While most of us would just charge it overnight, Ulefone still packed 66-watt wired charging for quicker top-ups. It even supported 10-watt wired reverse charging, doubling as a legit power bank for other devices. Say goodbye to low battery anxiety. Well, aside from the projector and a massive battery, I'd say this is a standard rugged phone. It packs all the essentials: 3 card slots, NFC, IR blaster, and even a 3.5mm headphone jack. Following the current trend, it features a massive LED panel on the back with 585 LED beads, delivering up to 1000 lumens of light. The panel is flanked by red and blue police-style LEDs, perfect for satisfying your cop cosplay fantasies. Despite having a cooling vent, the Armor 34 Pro still achieves the highest waterproof and dustproof certifications. Red Magic should really take notes here. Just one small pity, the USB port doesn't support video input, so you can't use it as just a standalone projector. The Armor 34 Pro has earned a special title in our reviews. It's officially the heaviest phone we've ever tested. No joke, it could double as a workout equipment. To keep it from dragging your pants down, you might want to get the Armor Mo holster to strap it to your belt or backpack. The phone also features Ulefone's signature U-Smart expansion connector on the side, maintaining full compatibility with all existing U-Smart accessories. The Armor 34 Pro features a nearly 7-inch 1080p LCD display with a 120Hz refresh rate and a 600 nits peak brightness. Pretty impressive specs for a rugged phone. Under the hood, it's powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 processor, which may not be the most powerful, but excels in power efficiency. The camera system uses our old reliable performance, the OV50H and JN1 sensors, which remain the undisputed kings of mid-range smartphone photography, consistently delivering excellent shots in any condition. For complete darkness, the night vision camera can capture clear images, and if you need more light, you can activate the powerful LED panel on the back to illuminate your subject, allowing you to capture high-quality color photos even in pitch-black environments. So the Armor 34 Pro is the perfect backup phone for camping enthusiasts. You probably won't use it as your daily driver, but you will definitely want to bring it along on your outdoor adventures. This versatile device can transform into a projector for watching sports on a big screen, serve as a power bank to charge your other devices, and even work as a powerful flashlight to illuminate your campsite. How incredibly convenient is that? So if you're interested, don't forget to check the link in the video description. This is Ulefone from China. We'll see you next time.